Come on kids, let's run, let's rush. Grab a pencil, chalk or brush. Now let's go and make some art. Draw and paint, come on, let's start. Color, texture, shapes and lines. Making art of every kind. Let's have fun, let's have a party. Making art with our friend Artie.
Hello, Artie.
Wow.
We're going to draw something that you sometimes see outside.
Ooh. Yeah.
It's going to be really fun to draw. Is that okay?
Okay.
Good day, little artists.
Today, we're going to draw the sun. Okay?
Okay.
Okay. Go get your marker pens.
Yeah.
Poof. There he goes.
Art brings me so much joy. This is making me so happy.
Well, we're happy that you're happy, Betty. We're going to start by drawing a big circle right in the middle of the paper. But you don't have to do it all in one go. That's kind of difficult. Do it in 2 or 3 sections, however many you feel comfortable with. And don't rush, take your time. This circle is the most important part of the whole drawing. If it's not perfect, that's okay. This is art. Now we're going to draw 2 rectangles, but with curvy lines instead of straight lines. Very good. And now the second one. They look a bit like square eyes, don't they? Like he's been watching too much TV. Now we're going to connect the 2 curvy rectangles together. Can you tell what they are? That's right, sunglasses. Now a nice smiley mouth. Now come the sun's rays. These are wavy little shapes that radiate out from the circle. They're almost a little bit like the petals on a flower. We're going to do them all the way around, each one connecting to the next. I hope you're watching, Betty and Mikey. Some of these rays are petal-shaped like a flower, and others are more wavy-shaped. It's good to mix them up and do different types as you go around the circle. Oh, so now Artie's drawing something different. What? I think I recognize that. What? It looks familiar. Oh, it's a bow tie. A bow tie on the sun. Do little lines for the creases in the fabric. And there's room for one last ray. Dance break. You need a dance break? Okay.
Dance, Artie, dance!
Hey, the dance break's over. What are we gonna do now?
It's time to do some art.
Wow, that was a fun dance break. Should we go back to the drawing?
Okay.
Okay, dance break over. So, now we're going to draw a cloud above the sun. And she's a really happy cloud. She's the sun's best friend. Look how happy Cloudy is. She's a happy little cloud. Okay, Artie, now let's thicken up some of those rays. Just on one side. That helps give the sun a really 3D shape. Yes, 3D. It means three-dimensional. It really means that it feels like it's really jumping off the page.
Oh.
Wow, you're really focused on this one, Artie. Just a few more rays to thicken up on one side.
Can you believe how high we are on this counter? I can see my box from here.
Now we're going to fill in these glasses, because they're actually sunglasses. What else would the sun be wearing? Let's thicken up the bottom part of the circle and go round. That's right. A little bit more round to the top, but don't go all the way. There you go. We'll thicken up the other side as well. A little Cloudy, she also wants to be thickened up a little bit, just at the bottom. It's looking like you're finished, Artie. Great job.
Oh.
Do you think he should color it in now, little artists?
Yeah, color it in.
Wow, this is amazing!
You are finished. Another great job.
Yeah.
That is one cool sun.
Yay!
A really great job, Artie.
Yay!
Hey, that was a lot of fun. We should do this again tomorrow.
Let's do that, Mikey. Okay, little artists, we hope you had fun. Until next time, have an arty day.
Yeah. Bye-bye. Bye.
Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.